to another IronDrake cleaning tip. I want to show you another beautiful efficiency for your COVID isolation. So ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about something a little bit less technical and more about the cleaning mindset. When you first come into a joint, you want to start with the dusting. You want to smash the cobwebs up high and down around the skirting boards. Now, once that's done and out of the way, we move on to the cloth dusting. Now this is what I really want to talk to you about. Working from top to bottom and left to right. This ensures you work yourself around the room systematically without missing anything, and you just don't have it on the back of your mind, oh, I wonder if I finished the job, or I wonder if there's any corners of the room that might still be needing my attention. So we go top to bottom here. Unless we're doing a spot clean, this is the first spot I see. Top to bottom, and just within arm's reach, you're working your way around. So roughly, that section's done now. I'm moving on to this section. So that's it, guys. Working from top to bottom, left to right. Remember, dust falls from top to bottom, so ensure you never have to go over the same surface twice. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.